Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Riri, aka Riri, and I love doing my battle of the Ipsy every month. This is going to be my Ipsy versus Ipsy for February of 2020. Each month I get my own bag and my mother-in-law's bag. Thank you so much. She is so gracious enough to let me see her bag before she sees her bag. With that being said, her bag right here is for someone that is not as comfortable with makeup. She wants more makeup than skincare. She has light skin and green eyes and light hair. My bag is for someone that is very comfortable with makeup, but I prefer skincare over makeup. More adventurous, bold types of colors, and of course brown hair and brown eyes. So I always like to just kind of compare the two to see if they're listening. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, it is a $12 a month subscription where you will receive a small makeup cosmetics bag and 5 travel try me size items. We do get lucky though sometimes and get a full size product, y'all. Okay, sometimes. I am an OG, Ipsy fan from day one. I've literally gotten the OG bag for years and years and years. So it's one of my favorites. I will continue to get it. I just love it so much. So with that being said, welcome to today's video. And if you have not already, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. If you tap that notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. All right, beauties, first I'm going to start with my bag for the month. And as you guys know, I do not get any spoilers. I also did want to point out, I've meant to say this literally in every video where I do some kind of unboxing. But we are always trying to protect ourselves and our addresses from public view, of course. I use these little things called Guard Your ID. It is a little stamp. You get a set of 4 for like less than 20 bucks, you guys. I got them from QVC. I'm pretty sure they sell them other places. But you literally open this up, and then wherever your address is, you are just going to take this and literally scroll across it. That way it just kind of bleeps out your address for you. It's easy peasy. Again, 4 of them for like less than 20 bucks. So I've meant to bring that up before, and I don't know why I haven't. I always forget. So that is kind of what I do, just to make sure that there are no snafus and I don't accidentally give somebody my address. Okay. So again, no spoilers. I always go in completely blindly. I never even know what the bag looks like. So yeah. And this again is my bag. Ooh, oh, it feels so weird. Oh, that feels so weird. Okay, this bag feels very, 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 very soft. Almost like uncomfortably soft, but it's very cute. It's like a cool blushy, mauvey, like purpley pink. And of course it has like the little zipper and says Ipsy on it. So let's open her up. But I also, first of all, see Kazu Beauty. This is a Beauty Influence 24 karat gold glow sheet mask. That's pretty cool. I do love sheet masks. I actually prefer sheet masks over pretty much any other kind of mask. I like peel off masks as well. So I will use that. Very exciting. This month's theme is Feel the Love. That is what that looks like. And of course it tells us inside what everything is, but I don't look at that until the very end. So I feel and see now a half-caked lip fondant. I love their formulation. We've gotten one of their, had an orange and a purple from them in the past. I don't know what shade it is though. It just says half-caked. Okay, low-key. So that is what it looks like. Lip fondant. And the shade is, again, low-key. Let's see what she looks like. I'm kind of scared. You know that I'm very strange about my lip colors, honey. But their formula was really, really nice. Somewhat drying, but very opaque, very comfortable overall on the lips, and it did last a very long time. Mine just happened to get old, so I got rid of both of them. And it's supposed to be a matte liquid lipstick. Okay, very cute. Very, very cute. Just not my vibe, not my personal vibe. So we are going to pass that along. I will either throw that on my Mercari. My link is always down below, or else to get in my next giveaway. Next up is a Douce Bombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. I will actually keep this because I am getting ready to give all of my mascara wands and the old mascaras that I have open right now. There's about 8 of them, but I'm going to be donating the wands to Wands for Wildlife. This is already February 12th, so I'm going to try to get it out by the like 23rd-ish. But if you guys wanted to send me your old mascara wands, of course cleansed, if you want to send them to me, my P.O. box is also linked down below, and I would love to send Wands for Wildlife, like a massive priority bag full of them. So that being said, I'm going to need some new mascaras. So I'm excited. I actually will try this. Let's do a little try on. Whoa! That is way wider and bigger than I thought it was going to be. It does have kind of like the cool little like plastic teeth. I do like these. I don't typically use these alone. I will generally like layer them with a like volumizing type of mascara. But I do like these because these kind of separate, these kind of separate the lashes. And then I go on top with like a volumizing mascara. And it is like the perfect combo. This works pretty nicely. And I do have just my TPSY lip oil that we got in a previous Ipsy, which I love, and I'm almost out of. I'm so sad. And then my It Cosmetics, my Celebration Foundation and Illumination, the powder foundation. Just because I'm taking people's advice. I'm really trying to step up my game and do what you guys want. And a lot of people have said, like, hey, I think that if you're a makeup channel, you should wear makeup. And at first, I was a little offended by that. Because, when I do unboxings and things, I don't do a full beat. That's really pretty. I like that. But it does make sense. So I'm really trying to, again, do what you guys are asking me to do. So I've been trying to do at least a little something, a little zhuzh before I record. So we're going to let that sit for just a second. And we'll flake it off, and I'll show you how to do that. Don't ever touch your mascara when it goes on your face. Next is an IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter in Prosecco. I have tried their highlights before, and I actually really like them. So let's go ahead and try this out as well. So far, though, I'm noticing, well, no, I did get the masks. I was about to say, I've noticed that everything's kind of more makeup than skincare, which is totally fine. So that is what the outer carton. Whoa, it's a goldy color. Yes, ma'am. So that is what she looks like. And let's get a little highlighter brush, why don't we? My ColourPop brush. I love this brush so much. And this formula is like super, super intense, super blinding. But it's such a pretty smooth formulation that like doesn't set on the skin. It really like kind of goes into the skin. It's so absolutely freaking beautiful, you guys. Like their highlighters, I think, are so underrated. They're stunning. So we'll do a little zhuzh. And this brush, I love it. I love it so much. Okay, yeah, I like this. This color is amazing. The texture is beautiful on this. It's super blinding, but like there's no glitter. There's no like harshness, no chunkiness. As you can see, like, oh, it's beautiful. I'm happy. I'm happy so far, y'all. And then my last thing is The Balm Pedal to the Metal Vava Vroom Cream Eyeshadow. And I guess Pedal to the Metal is the name, I'm guessing. That is what the outer carton looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, the shade is called Turbo. So that is what that looks like. We will also try this. I'm just going to go in since it says it's more of a cream. Ooh, that does feel very nice. So I'm going to, all right. Oh, you guys, that's pretty. So I'm just going to put a little bit on. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, that's really pretty. Not much of an actual base color. I mean, the slight little pinkiness is there, if you can see that. But it's mostly kind of like just like a glitter. And almost feels like glitter inside of, like a little bit of a gel base, if you will. Really pretty, though. Like, super pretty if you wanted to just do like a little cute new makeup look. So I'm going to go into one of my little Q-tips. I have spoken about these a million times, but it has the blunt side and the sharp side. And when I try to remove mascara, I always wait for it to completely dry, and I never rub or tug at it. I will take this and literally roll the Q-tip over it, if that makes any sense. I'll start here and roll the Q-tip over. And it typically will take it completely off without messing up your makeup and shit too much. So I'm going to go with my little Dew Color brush that should have a little bit of my foundation on it. And voila. So my bag, I love so much. Won't be using this, but it's super pretty and the formula is great. So if you do get this in your bag, and this is kind of your color story, your color vibe, definitely try it. Again, it's slightly more drying, but definitely do like, a lip scrub or something like that prior to, and wear like a lip balm. and then put this on, I think you'll really enjoy it. Love the highlights, excited about the mask, and love this as well. So very excited. I love everything in here. I think this is an amazing bag, and I'm pretty positive that just this is $12 to $14. I'll try to remember and put the price right here. So on our little card, it will always tell you your information and stuff about everything and full-size pricing. The Douce Cosmetics Boombastic Lash Volumizer Mascara. This is, we love the look of false lashes, but applying them daily can be a hassle. This lengthening, thickening, and volumizing mascara, on the other hand, it instantly boosts your lashes with minimal effort. Plus, the creamy carbon black formula will not clump, flake, or make your lashes feel brittle. I do like it thus far. We'll kind of see, like when I layer it with my regular babies, you know how it works. And the full size of this is $24. The half-caked lip fondant in Loki. This creamy, long-wearing, transfer-proof, this muted terracotta. I wouldn't call that terracotta myself, but okay. Terracotta lip color brings out the pink or red shades in your lips. One swipe will coat them in highly pigmented color that lasts all day. 100% agree with that. And the full size value is $16. The IBY Beauty Highlighter in Prosecco. This finely milled apricot-y peach highlighter from IBY Beauty instantly pops your favorite features and illuminates your complexion. It is infused with rose hip seed oil and vitamin E to nourish and protect your skin from environmental stressors. Plus, it is also talc free. And the full size is $14. The Kazu Beauty 24 karat gold glow sheet mask. If you've got 20 minutes to spare, that's all you need to give your skin some extra TLC with this glowing sheet mask. It'll transform your skin from dull and tired to bright and dewy with pure 24 karat gold, plus a dose of hyaluronic acid. Yes, please. Draws in moisture for a soft, smooth, and hydrated complexion. And that is a value of $12.50. The Balm, pedal to the metal and shift into overdrive, turbo. We're always excited when a product from The Balm comes across our desk. This shimmery cream shadow has quickly become a new go-to. The rose gold with silver fleck blends like a dream, and it's totally unique shade that is versatile enough for day, I agree, or glam up your look at nighttime. The full-size product of this is $29.50. So that is the Feel the Love. This is my bag. Very exciting. I definitely got me a skincare item. I will use everything that is in here aside from, like I said, with this. Very happy. Very, very happy. So let me throw my stuff back in my bag so I don't get nothing confused, okay? Nothing mixed up. And we will go into my mother-in-law's bag. Oh, that feels so, it's almost like, I don't even know how to explain, like, the texture of it. I'm a weird person when it comes to texture. Y'all already know this. So here's her bag. Let's jump in and see what she got. Oh, that bag is so weird. Okay, so of course, this is always the same bag. So first in her bag, I see a Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion with hyaluronic acid in the scent Capri. It is sparkling, citrus, and sweet with no parabens, no sulfates, and no phthalates. I think she will absolutely love that. Next up, ooh, K. Voss Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter with Evening Primrose Oil and Artichoke. And the shade is Moonlight. So that is what that looks like. And there's the shade name. Of course, I cannot swatch this or anything like that. I will show y'all what she got. But it ain't mine, so I can't put it on my little face. Apparently, I can't even open it. I always try to be so gentle with her stuff because, of course, it's not mine. Cute. Very cute packaging. So that is what that looks like. And it does say on the back that they are certified vegan. So that's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She's going to love that. It's a beautiful, very soft pearlescent pink. She's going to like that a whole lot. If you guys got this, let me know how you liked it. Of course, I will ask her as well. So I think she's going to like both things so far. So far, we're doing okay. Next, I feel Oh, something else from the balm. This is an Auto Balm, the Auto Balm, Girl Powder, Cheeks on the Go, in the shade, I guess, Girl Powder. That is what that looks like. And let's open her up. Oh, beautiful. She'll like that. She'll like that a whole lot. She likes blushes. And the balm, of course, is a wonderful brand. I've used them for many, many years. Next is a Scone Insanely Intense Tattooed Mini Waterproof Eyeliner. Sorry, guys. I should have worn my glasses. So that is what that looks like. She also loves liner. So I think she's 4 for 4 already. I'm very excited for her. And then I feel, ooh, a matte lip paint from Colored Rain in the shade 24/7, excuse me. I've actually never tried, I don't think, anything from Colored Rain. Maybe like a single shadow that came in Ipsy one time. And that is a real, their packaging is stunning. So that is like a cool mauve pinky shade, which I also think she's going to love. So I do think that there's nothing that was adventurous. Everything was pretty muted and pretty soft. She got 4 makeup items and 1 lotion. I definitely think that they listened and they paid attention. I think she's going to love this bag a whole lot. So we will go over full sizes and pricing. Let me stick her entire bag back in her thing over here so that I do not mix them up, because I did that one month and I felt so bad. So let's recap her bag. Okay, so of course it was the same theme, same bag, and it is Feel the Love. And ow. Okay, well, yeah, I will try to look up the prices. That's very odd. I need to watch some of you guys because there's literally just this. Okay. Will you be our Valentine? Hey, you. Wow, you look great today. That shade, it's perfect on you. We wanted to let you know that you are doing a killer job. We get that life isn't always easy and liquid eyeliner is so hard, but you've totally got this. And just in case you need to hear it, we love you so very much. So give yourself a big hug and let's keep in touch, okay? XO Ipsy. Very cute. I like that idea. I love, you know, positive affirmation, things like that, but we also want to know what we're getting in the bag. So yeah, that's her bag. I am blown away. I think especially for 12 bucks, I have said this before, you guys, especially if you have a newbie, a new beauty kind of coming into the makeup world. I think that Ipsy is a perfect way to start. I know a lot of people complain because they are travel or mini items. I love that idea. You know, I'm not sitting here with a full size of something that, you know, I'm not going to use in time, you know, or that it's just going to be wasted product and just sit there. Whereas if I get a little small, you know, something like the Ciate blushes that we got last month, I absolutely love that. So I would go buy a full size of that. Versus if I had a full size of it and didn't use it, it's just wasteful product, if that makes any sense. So that is it. I'm going to go and binge watch a bunch of you guys because that's what I love to do. And YouTube is my life pretty much. So I greatly appreciate you beauties so much. If you're still here, thank you. I appreciate you very much. And if you have not already, please subscribe and yeah, tap the notification bell. I'd be eternally grateful and be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.